Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the NVIDIA GPU Error Code 45. This hardware device is not connected to the computer. To fix this problem, reconnect this hardware device to the computer. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I would suggest doing would be to open up your computer and see if your graphics card is properly connected to your motherboard. So if there's any loose connections, that's certainly a potential reason for the problem. If you already tried that and there aren't any loose connections, open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt, right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in, hit enter on your keyboard, select the advanced button and make sure apply repairs automatically is checkmarked and then select next. I'd recommend following along with any suggestions it provides here, so I'm going to go ahead and enable that. And it looks like it was able to help resolve a problem here. Let's go ahead and close out of here. And then hopefully that would have resolved the issue. You may want to open up the search menu, type in services, go ahead and open that up, and locate anything in here that says NVIDIA in the name of the service. And I don't actually have a NVIDIA graphics card on the system, but if you did, open it up, and if the service is running, stop it, and then you want to start it back up again once it's completely stopped. So again, you would stop and then start the service, anything that had the name NVIDIA in the name of it. And then once you're done, restart the computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.